Hey guys, welcome back. Joshua with jmcnairtech here. Just installed Windows? Cool. But before you dive in, I'm going to show you the 5 tweaks I always make to keep my Windows running smooth. Okay, so first things first, I'd like to open up File Explorer, hit the View tab, go to Show. I'm going to turn on Hidden Items and File Name Extensions. So here you can see it'll show the extension here, PDF, docx, etc. Just lets me see what's really happening in the folder, especially useful if I'm working with config files, scripting, or just trying to figure out why something's not launching right. Things like that. Okay, next up I'm going to do a little bit of start menu cleanup. Go to Settings, Personalization, and choose the Start option. I already turned it off here, but basically this is going to show you some recommendations and tips from Microsoft. Just kind of like to have it a little bit cleaner, so I'll turn that off. Same with the recommended files and recently added apps. Okay, so the third thing I'd like to do is turn off some of the notification settings. We'll get there the easy way. Go to Settings, System, and Notifications. So as you can see, by default, there's a lot of app-specific notifications that I would just turn off normally. I already changed these, but you could just look at your computer and see which ones are relevant. Turn the other ones off. The fourth, I'd like to tweak the visual effects a little bit. We can get there by going to this PC, right-click, go to Properties. Then we'll choose Advanced System Settings, Performance. I'm going to choose Adjust for Best Appearance, because when I'm working on videos and stuff like that, I like to have it looking the best. Hit OK, save changes, done. Number 5 is Default Apps. So back to Settings, Apps, Default Apps. Choose Outlook for all my message files as an example. And set Microsoft as Edge as my default browser. And there you go. So that's it, guys. Just 5 quick changes, but they definitely make every Windows setup feel a little bit better. If this helped, awesome. Give it a like and subscribe. Some more tweaks coming this weekend. Catch you in the next one. Bye.